Now you're going to want to listen to this because if you do this wrong, it can actually stop people from wanting to subscribe to you. But if you do this correct, you can be getting 10 subscribers or more every day. Hey everybody, my name is Jonathan and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm talking about how to get subscribers for free on YouTube every day. Now, even though I've been doing this online marketing for some time now for several businesses to help them to grow their audience and make more money, this is a fairly new YouTube channel. So it gives me the opportunity to experiment to see what works and what doesn't work. Now, if you have a new YouTube channel starting from scratch or started recently, then I'm guessing that you might be exploring some ways that you can grow online. And I'm sure you saw a lot of tactics, because there are a lot of tactics out there. But don't worry, I'm not going to stress you out with 5 or 10 of them. We're just talking about one. Now, this is something I've started doing only recently. And I made this video because I've seen a lot of people doing this the wrong way. And they also seem to be spending a lot of time on this tactic. And to be quite honest, it's not really a tactic at all. Let me explain. Do you ever notice those comments on those huge YouTube channels? Like somebody says, check out my channel, or they just post a video link, or subscribe to me and I'll subscribe back. And they seem to be doing that on multiple channels. Now imagine if that time and effort was spent actually looking at the video, enjoying something specific about it and mentioning that in the comments. Or how about it was, let's say, a video about 5 ways of doing something, or 5 tips of doing something. And at the end of the video, because you had your own experience with that, you had another tip, so you decided to leave that tip in the comments. Of course, thanking the YouTuber for making these 5 tips. However, you had an additional tip to add, something that was very useful in your own experience and you wanted to share it with our audience. Now, using myself as an example, I remember following this YouTuber who talks about YouTube and, well, growing on the platform. I remember looking at her videos when she only had about 1,000 subscribers, and I asked myself at the time, how come this person has not blown up yet? Well, her channel. How come this channel only has 1,000 subscribers? And why am I not paying for this exceptional advice and actionable tips? About 9 months later, this same YouTuber had almost 100,000 subscribers and was doing a video about how much money she made over the past year with her channel. Now, I was a fan, so not only did I subscribe, but I hit the notification bell. So as soon as I got the notification about the video, I clicked it. And after looking at the entire video, I was impressed, but not only because of the money, but I remembered looking at her videos for the first time and discovering her channel. So after looking at the latest video, as soon as it went live, I left a comment. I left a comment saying pretty much what I felt. I remember when they were just starting off with around 1,000 subscribers and finding their content so useful, and I could not believe that it was for free. And I think I also congratulated them on their success as well. Now, I didn't think much of the comment that I made. However, after I checked back on my YouTube channel the next day, I saw that there was several notifications and replies to the comment. I even got a reply from that YouTuber and about 40 likes on the comment. And guess what else happened? Just like that, I got 10 new subscribers. Now that may or may not sound like a lot to you, but when your channel is fairly new and you have just under 50 subscribers, to wake up to 10 new subscribers, that's like a quarter of your audience. I'm sure some of you will understand where I'm coming from. It was pretty exciting. At first, when I saw the subscriber increase, I quickly checked my videos to see which ones started to go viral or got picked up in suggested videos, because I was thinking that's the only way that could happen, right? Anyway, I didn't notice much change really, except for some extra views here and there. But then something else happened. I got engagement. Comments on several of my videos, and not the kind of comments like nice video or sub for sub, but the type of comments that was related to my video and complementing the value that I had put out as well. Now, all of that, the 10 subscribers, multiple relevant comments, views, all of this happened because of just one genuine comment I made. Now, I also believe that it was because my comment ended up getting the second most likes on that video. Second to the actual creator, of course, who had pinned their comment. So I'd like to think my comment ranked number 1. Now imagine if you tried this and did this several times for the day, leaving a genuine comment with the content creators that you actually follow and their content is related to your topic. Of course, providing that you're actually posting valuable content regularly. I see no reason, none, why you can't also get some real viewers, new subscribers, and relevant engagement on your videos as well. Let's face it is tough when you're just starting off. So instead of getting caught up in all of the tactics to get views and subscribers, actually make good content and engage genuinely with other content creators. And you shall be rewarded with gold. Well, mainly subscribers and engagement for now. Now, if you got value from this, subscribe if you haven't done so already, so that you don't miss future content just like this one. And I'll see you in the next video.